we are at the Lindt Chocolate World, and Eva's going to be trying some different types of chocolate. This is white chocolate. And you get to try it.
Take a tissue. That might help. Alright, I need to ask for help. I don't know how to do this. Is that helping? No, let's ask.
Excuse me, how do you get the chocolate out? What do you have to do to get the chocolate to come out?
Okay, like this.
Pull it. Okay, so you need to pull.
Oh yeah. Here's the white chocolate. Very smooth.
And you only use 1 spoon per. You can't use it multiple times.
Okay. Need to know where the garbage is.
Right behind you.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Okay.
So that was the white chocolate. And we're going to try the milk chocolate.
You can get because they're returning the menu. All the brownie? Yeah.
Delicious. Like that. Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Вот себе шоколад, то, что там сам задает, но она же тут ходит, выбираешь. Вот то, что мы там сварили, это все по очереди нужно будет. Ну что, я знаю, что. Да, вытираешь.
All very good.
Okay. So they give the tour tells you everything about cocoa from the beginning to the end to making it into chocolate. So come with us. We take you to the Lindt Chocolate Factory tour in Zurich, Switzerland, and all around the world. Thank you.
Delicious.
And our motto is live well, eat well, and travel well.